update. I went to National Parts Depot and picked up this Mustang rocker, the outer panel on the driver's side. So this thing is absolutely horrible. It's not shaped right at all. And we'll see if I can do this with one hand, so bear with me. So, but I think you can get the gist. What you can see there is there's no way. If you look at that kind of that indented area, juxtaposed, when I put the parts juxtaposed, you can kind of see how. Let me see if I can pull this up. All right, you can kind of see how they're not quite bent at the right angle. They've kind of extended this a little bit further, so the width is a little bit longer than it should be, and it's not sloped at the correct angle. And I know you can say, well, you know, you've got the part cocked a little bit, but no. And then you're also not going to get your body lines that are made up. So that thing is absolutely beach. But I had to get it because I was doing the rear side, and so I went and got the reproduction part, and I think it was like 140, 134, somewhere around there. But yeah, so those two are threaded, and it's got the brace inside. Not that you couldn't have parceled that out, but yeah. So I'm a little disappointed that I got to go through and purchase another part just to make this thing work. As you can see, I know it's not pretty, but I've already welded up the side cowl. And I haven't finished with it yet, so I got to do it, but I'm not going to get to that right now. So, a little disappointed in this, that there's no way that meets, that it's going to mate up with that outside rocker panel on the driver's side. So, be careful when you buy. And maybe it's even a good idea to take some dimensions if you're in the store. I know a lot of times you're not always getting a chance to do it, but yeah, I don't recommend this at all. So, you're better off just paying extra money for that OEM reproduction part or OEM tool part, because this thing is crap and it just can't do anything with it, and after you make the cut you're just out the money. So totally sucks, but that's what it is. Alright, well, peace out, see you guys.